In this video on the Workcenter 302, we are going to go over on how to import and export your program and offsets. So, we got a USB up here right next to the screen. Usually that will be closed, so pop that open, pop your USB in there. We'll go to Edit, and then you want to be on the list. If you are in the program here, or possibly a different menu select, just hit that button until you get list, and you want to see the list of programs. So from there you want I/O, which is input output, and this is a screen where you're both going to input and output your program and your offsets. So up here has I/O contents. So that is going to determine, you have 4 different parameters here, or things you can output: your machining program, your offset data, parameters, and also be info on the machine, like that would be like how much electricity it's using, that sort of thing. So 1 for machining program, that's going to be default every time. So that's what's highlighted. And then we're going to go for importing or inputting, you'll highlight input, and then right here it's going to ask for you to input a program number. Over here it's going to give you the list of what is on the device that you're using to import. So right now we only have 1 program on there. It would be this 1974. Big thing with this machine is make sure when you save programs onto whatever device you're using to import them in on, you do not want the O in front of the program number, and more than likely you're going to need a .prg after it, otherwise nothing's going to pop up over here. So we're going to do the 1974 right down here, and then we're going to hit input, and that's going to say, hey, I'm going to import in 1974. Then it's going to tell you directions what to do down here. It's going by slow, but I just got to hit input again. Input, please wait. Then you'll see this bar fill up. Input complete. So from there I can escape out of this, and now you can see I have my 1974 program in there now. Same process for outputting. We're going to go I/O. We want to output the machining program. We want to select down here output, and then that's going to pop up down here. So now it gives us a list of the programs on the machine, and whichever machining program you want to output, we are going to type that number in and hit input. So for instance, we'll do this 3701. 3701 again is going to pop up down here. We're going to hit input. That's going to say push input key starts an output. So we're going to hit input again. Then we're going to say please wait. This bar is going to fill up. Output complete. So now that 3701 is now on whichever device you're using, which in this case is a USB flash drive. So same thing for our offsets. So we output our offsets. So we're going to type in number 2 input. That's going to change that to offset data, and then we're going to go down to here again. There's only going to be 1 option. It's going to be number 1. So you're going to type in 1 input, push input key starts an output again. So hit that again, gives you a please wait, bar fills up again, output complete. So now both the program and the offsets are on the USB device that I'm using. So that is how we import and export our programs, and also output our offset data.